This 2022 Jayco Jay Flight 32BHDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 36 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 10, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, smoke detector, water heater, LP detector, oven, auxiliary battery, slide-out, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, and 80 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Jayco Jay Flight 32BHDS is 7,915 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.